So today I'm going to make for you a fantastic watercress smoothie. Watercress is an incredible leaf that we all should eat more of. It really is a superfood. Together with it is going to go some pineapple, which I have bought frozen. You can use it fresh, of course, but equally frozen fruit's fantastic. And we're going to put in it a kiwi. And when you have kiwi, you must make sure that you have the skin on it, because that's very good fibre for your gut too. I'm going to include some ginger, some ground flax seeds, and a little bit of yogurt. And if you're dairy-free, of course, you can use a coconut yogurt. It just adds a little bit of unctuousness to the final smoothie. So here we go. Water, kiwi, pineapple. Put the lid on securely and give it a blitz. You want to blitz it so it's lovely and smooth to get all that fibre broken up. Now we're going to put in some flaxseed, ginger and watercress. On goes my lid. So now it looks fantastic and green. Oh, smells amazing. Just going to give it a taste. Oh, that's incredible. Just to give it that little extra deliciousness, we're going to put the yogurt in. Blitz it one last time. One last taste. So good. And all you have to do is pour it into a glass. So this freezes really well as well. So you can make it on one day and store it in ice cubes and use it another. So here you have a fantastic superfood watercress smoothie. And if you wanted to fill it out a bit and make it a bit more filling, you can use some overnight oats. So these are normal jumbo oats soaked in oat milk, almond milk, whatever kind of milk you wanted, with a little bit of kefir yogurt in there, because that helps break down the starches, which makes it possible for your body to absorb all the nutrients and minerals more easily. And what I would do with this is just simply pour the smoothie on the top. So there you have it. You can either have it as a smoothie bowl or a smoothie drink.